Sunday, the 5th of July, and this is your weather forecast. So the weather, this is rainfall accumulation Sunday to Sunday, is fairly stable across the state. Not much happening in the interior. We've got a bit of convective rainfall around Cairns, as always, and some onshore rainfall in the coastal regions as we get a strong onshore breeze from a high pressure system that's sitting stably down in the southeast. So let's have a look at these maps. So we've got daily rainfall accumulation here on the left, wind on the right. Just starting with wind, this is what it looks like for most of the week. Strong onshore breeze, 40 to 63 kilometre per hour gusts, and then relatively stable on the interior, and that is what's delivering a lot of the rainfall down here in the southeast. So let's look at that rainfall. This is Monday accumulation. You can see it's really quite light. It's 0 to 5 mils down in the southeast, and again the same sort of in the Cairns region. We have a small trough here just in the central of Queensland. Same story, light showers, a bit more moderate in Cairns here on the Tuesday. Still East Coast showers, it's moving further up into the central coast on Wednesday. Thursday, we have another trough in the interior that could bring light falls, but not much into Queensland. Friday, potential scattered showers, but mostly again around the southeast coast. Saturday, same story, and Sunday, that showery drizzle comes a little bit further inland into the southeast. But as we said, wind is relatively stable. We'll zoom through the weekend just to check. Yeah, if anything, the wind dies off as the week goes on. So there we go. Okay, looking at my region of choice today, it is Bundaberg Central because it paints that relatively stable, consistent picture. We've got Monday rainfall total 1.2 mils, Tuesday 0.3, Wednesday 0.3, Thursday 1, Friday 1. So yeah, light showers, just whether it falls on you or not. All your lows are relatively moderate in sort of the low teens, and highs as well in the low 20s. So pretty stable conditions and predictable for most of the week. I'm not seeing anything crazy popping out in these models. Spray conditions don't seem to be great, only small windows in the Bundaberg region, potentially because of that onshore breeze, or that light scattered showers. But really, that's the story for Queensland. Nice and stable, calm in the interior, light showers on the coasts. That's about all we've got. All right, we'll see you next week. Have a great one.